Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the button right here. Once you wake up the screen, press the button to open the menu, and now you can scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen. Find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called System and tap on it. And in System, scroll down, find the option called Language right here and select it. And you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you like to use, select it, hover over it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now the language should be changed to Deutsch. So if we open the menu, as you can see, the language changed. So that's how you change the language directly on the smartband. We can also do it via the phone application if our smartband is paired with a phone. So let me move this to the side, bring our phone right here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. Okay, now this phone is paired with our smartband and we can open the Garmin Connect application on it. So open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with your device. In the application, tap on the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, and on the list of devices you should see the Vivosmart 5 right here. Tap on it to select it. Then scroll down on this page, find the System, and here tap on Language option. This will open the list of languages. Find the language you like to use on your smartband, select it, and once you select it, go back to the this page, to the device page of your smartband, and make sure that your smartband synced with your phone. If it didn't, you can tap on this button right here and wait for the devices to sync. And once they're done syncing, the language should be applied. So if we open the menu, as you can see, the language changed back to English. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.